All right, JWorley. Here you have it. Give me 1 sec, get my spreadsheets right. All right. Good luck, brother. Box 20. Last one. Y'all crushed it. Like I said, we're going to finish off the entire event with a case of Noir with Mo Bamba here in just a little bit. Boom. Worley. Good luck, brother. Let's crush it. Jonathan Simmons. We've already had like 5 golds out of 10 and a 101 in the case. It's been a ridiculous case. We got Aiden out there on the court right now doing his stuff. Hassan Whiteside. Yeah, and if I'm watching also for the big rookies, so if we hit one of the big rookies, I'll pull them to the side. Joe Johnson. We haven't hit a Tatum this case though. 155, not even one of the just base fast breaks. Oh, nice one, De'Aaron Fox. Fast break. Hey, there it goes. Bobby Portis. Boom. Do what?
I pulled the best trading cards.
No, they're all in this case. Come on, man. Avery Bradley, number to 85. Brad working over there? Brad working away over there? All right. John Wall. Nice. I might sleep in tomorrow. Tatum, base rookie. Hey, you got at least a base Tatum. Do what? I know, that's why I did that, because I'm like, if I don't, then tomorrow shot 2. Stanley Johnson, fast break. I think I get home like at 11:30. Hey, man. Jared Allen. Raider rookie fast break autograph and a Blake Griffin. Number to 193. D Wade. Boom, JWorley. There you have it, brother. Last box of Optic.